My name is Shreya Kumawat. I study in Swami Vivekanand Government Model School, Chopra, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I study in 7th A.
My name is Charvi Bharat. I study in Swami Vivekanand Government Model School, Shahpura, and I study in class 7th. This is a rainwater harvesting system because many people face water shortage in some areas of our country like Rajasthan, Kashmir, Jammu, etc. So we made this rainwater harvesting system so that people can drink pure water and do not have to drink impure water. So in the system, if there will be some rain in the areas, the rainwater will come in the roof of the house, and then from the roof of the house the water will fall onto the filter system, and then it will become pure water and it will become drinkable, and we can store it for many time. This is how it works. Now the water will filter after some time. The water is started falling through the containers.